solve 2xy into dy minus x square plus y square plus 1 into dx equal to 0. Solution. Given differential equation is 2xy into dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 into dx equal to 0. So now the equation which is in the form of now the equation is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So where m equal to what is the value? 2xy, and n equal to m equal to n equal to 2xy, m equal to minus of it means minus x square minus y square minus 1. So now check whether dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of minus x square minus y square minus 1. So then minus x square derivation is 0, minus y square derivation is 2y. So here 0. So then which implies minus 2y. So therefore dou m by dou y equal to minus 2y, and dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of 2xy. So then which implies 2y into the derivation of x is 1, then which implies 2y. Therefore dou m by dou y which is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given equation is not exact. So then we have to take 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So then which implies 1 by 2xy into minus 2y, here also minus 2y. So then which implies minus 4y by 2xy, then which implies minus 2 by x. So therefore what is the value? 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to what is the value? Minus 2 by x. So this is the value f of x. So now the integrating factor. The integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx or f dx. E power integral, what is that? 2 by x into dx. So then e power minus 2 into 1 by x derivation is log x. E power minus log x power minus 2. So then e log both are cancelled. X power minus 2 means 1 by x square. Therefore integrating factor equal to 1 by x square. So now by multiplying this equation with 1 by x square. Now by multiply with 1 by x square to dy minus of 1 plus y square by x square plus 1 by x square into dx equal to 0. See, this is equation number 2. this is the form of m1 dx m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So now where m1 equal to minus 1 minus y square by x square minus 1 by x square, and n1 equal to what is the value, 2y by x, and then dou m1 by dou y equal to minus 2y by x square, and dou n1 by dou x equal to minus 2y by x square. So therefore we get dou m1 by dou y, so which is equal to dou n1 by dou x, therefore which is exact differential equation, and it is the therefore this is exact differential equation, and the general solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 into dy equal to c. So which implies what is the value in the general integral m1 means minus 1 minus y square by x square minus 1 by x square into dx plus integral 0 into dy equal to c. So therefore minus x plus y square by x plus 1 by x equal to c. So which is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. Next, solve x cube plus y cube plus 1 into dx plus xy square into dy equal to 0. Solution. So the given differential equation is x cube plus y cube plus 1 into dx plus xy square into dy equal to 0. See, this is 1. And now comparing this equation with m1 dx plus n1 dy. Therefore m1 equal to x cube plus y cube plus 1 and n1 equal to xy square. Next, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou by dou y of x cube plus y cube plus 1. So which implies this one is 0 and this is 3y square. So which implies 3y square. And next one, dou n1 by dou x equal to dou by dou x of xy square. So here y square is constant and the derivation of x is 1. So therefore this is y square. So therefore these two are not equal. Therefore dou m1 by dou y which is not equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore it is not exact differential equation.